Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQ of 9th of June 2015. But before we begin, quiz. Who is the minister in Jal Shakti? What is the theme of second edition of Global Bio India 2021? Who is India's High Commissioner to Denmark, or we can say India's ambassador to Denmark? Who has won BBC Indian Sports Woman of the Year Award 2020? Google celebrate the 89th birth anniversary of which renowned Indian professor and scientist? Russia and which country have signed MOU to set up International Lunar Space Station? Project Rehab has been launched by which organization? Who is the author of the book My Life in Full Work, Family, and Our Future? Who has become the first transgender man to start on the front cover of Time magazine? Who has been appointed as chairman of Stop TB Partnership Board? So these were some of the 10 important quiz questions, and now let's discuss the answers. So who is the minister in Jal Shakti? Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, and his constituency is Jodhpur. What is the theme of second edition of Global Bio India? Transforming Lives. Transforming Lives. India's ambassador to Denmark is Pooja Kapoor. Pooja Kapoor. BBC Women's Sportswoman of the Year has won by Koneru Hampi. Koneru Hampi from Andhra Pradesh. Google celebrated its 89th birth anniversary of renowned UR Rao. Udupi Ramachandra Rao, the Indian professor, scientist, is from Karnataka. Russia and China. Russia and China have signed MOU to set up International Lunar Space Station. Project Rehab has been launched by KVSE, Khadi Village and Industries Corporation, KVSE. Who is the author of the book? Indra Nooyi. Indra Nooyi. Who has become the first transgender elite page? Elite page is India's transgender man to start front cover of Time magazine. Who has been appointed chairman? Harshvardhan. So quiz is completed. Now let's discuss today's current affairs. Who has been elected as 76th President of United Nations General Assembly? So he is Abdullah Zahid, and he is the 76th President of United Nations. So earlier you know that 75th was Volkan Bozkir and Tejani Mohammad Bande was 74th. Tejani Mohammad Bande was 74th. Volkan Bozkir was 75th, and now 76th is Abdullah Zahid. Who is he? He is the Finance Minister of Maldives. Who is the Prime Minister of Maldives? Pravin Jagannath, and his father Anirudh Jagannath, who was already the former Prime Minister and President of Maldives, recently passed away. And who is India's ambassador to Maldives? K. Nandini Singla is India's ambassador to Maldives. Remember, the capital is Port Louis. And who is permanent representative to United Nations, T.S. Tirumurti. T.S. Tirumurti. What is the theme of World Ocean Day 2021? So first of all, World Ocean Day is observed on June 8th. June 8th of every year, and the theme is the ocean life and livelihoods. The ocean life and livelihoods is the theme of World Ocean Day. Who has assumed charge as Director General of Naval Staff? So he is Rajesh Pendakar. Rajesh Pendakar has assumed charge as the Director General of Naval Staff. World Bank has approved $500 million to help boost India's MSME sector. So which bank it is? So it is World Bank. So World Bank has funded 500 million to India's MSME sector. Who is a MSME minister? Giriraj Singh. Giriraj Singh. If you talk about World Bank, President is David Malpass. And headquarters is in Washington. Recently, West Bengal has given $32 million to Mizoram for health purpose, for health sector in Mizoram, and West Bengal has given something around $68 million to Nagaland for education purpose in Nagaland. And one more, World Bank and AIIB both together have funded $300 million to Punjab state for the fresh water, for the purpose of water. They have funded $300 million. Which public sector bank has sanctioned a loan of 3725 crore for Noida International Airport? Noida is in Uttar Pradesh, and State Bank of India has sanctioned the loan 3725 crore for Noida International Airport. If you talk about State Bank of India, who is the chairman? Rajneesh Kumar. And if you talk more about State Bank of India has inked $1 million from Japan Bank recently, in the last month, I think in the April month. And State Bank of India is the sponsor bank of Andhra Pradesh Gramin Bank and Telangana Gramin Bank, because these both banks have recently launched the video KYC, digital KYC has been launched by Andhra Pradesh Gramin Bank and Telangana Gramin Bank, and their sponsor bank is State Bank of India. And if you talk more about Uttar Pradesh has recently launched its 8th airport, that is Bareilly. Bareilly Airport has been inaugurated recently. And who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Yogi Adityanath. Who is the CEO of PNB, Punjab National Bank? S.S. Mallikarjun. SS Mallikarjun, and its headquarters is in New Delhi. Padma Shri Award winner Dr. Lakshmi Nandan Bora passed away. He is associated with which field? So don't confuse this name Lakshmi with she. So he is associated with the journalist. So he was a he was a literature. He was a literature and okay sorry. So he was a Padma Shri award winner also. So remember this. Who has won F1 Azerbaijan Grand Prix? So this has been won by Sergio Perez. Sergio Perez, and he is from Mexico. He is from Mexico, and Mexico's capital is Mexico City. Mexico City. So Sergio Perez has won the F1 Azerbaijan Grand Prix. CRISIL has projected India's GDP growth rate at what percent for the financial year 2022? So earlier they have said for 11%, and now they are saying it is 9.5%. 9.5% as India's GDP growth rate according to CRISIL. Which country has withdrawn from Open Sky Treaty recently? So already you know that USA has withdrawn from it, but now Russia also withdraw. Russia has quit Open Sky Treaty. What is the capital of Russia? Russia's capital is Moscow. Moscow. Who is the president? Vladimir Putin, and he will stay in power till 2036. Till 2036. Recently, in the quiz itself, we discussed Russia and China both signed an MOU to set up International Lunar Space Station. International Lunar Space Station. Space Station. And Russia has become the first country in the world to provide vaccines for animals. Vaccines for animals, and their vaccine name is Sputnik V. Sputnik V. And if we talk more about Russia, recently they have launched their satellite called Articayam. Articayam is of Russia, Russia's satellite. And who is India's ambassador to Russia? DB Venkatesh Verma. DB Venkatesh Verma. DB Venkatesh Verma. And Russian Language Day is 6th of June. 6th of June. Recently, 6th of June is celebrated as Russian Language Day. According to World Employment and Social Outlook 2021, global unemployment is expected to increase to how much million in 2022? So this is 205 million. 205 million. Presently, they have said for 187 million, but now they are saying that by 2022, globally, unemployment is expected to increase 205 million by 2022. Which state government has launched Chief Minister Amoprati coaching scheme? Amoprati's coaching scheme has been launched by Rajasthan government. It is a free coaching for students for poor students. And who is the chief minister? Ashok Gehlot. Ashok Gehlot is the chief minister. If you talk regarding if you talk about Rajasthan, and Ashok Gehlot is the chief minister of Rajasthan. If you talk about they have recently launched Jan Pakwada Yojana, Jan Aushadh Pakwada, Aushadh Pakwada, and remember one person. His name is Jagannath Pahadia. Jagannath Pahadia. Who is he? He was the former chief minister of Rajasthan. Recently passed away. And recently, in the month of June, they have launched Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana. In the month of June itself, they have launched Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana. So this is important. Okay. Syed Sabri, who passed away recently at the age of 85, he is related to which among the following field? So he is a singer. And recently passed away at the age of 85. Vayan, Y-E-Y-A-N, Vayan became the first village to vaccinate 100% adult population. So this village is in which state or union territory? So this is in Jammu Kashmir. So in Jammu Kashmir we have one village, Vayan, and it has become the first village to complete around 326 the population of this village, around 326, and everybody has been vaccinated in this village. If you talk about Jammu Kashmir, who is the governor? Manoj Sinha. Recently they have launched two apps, Tamir Tarakki and Hamari Sadak and Tamir Tarakki. Hamari Sadak, Tamir Tarakki apps were launched by Jammu Kashmir. Remember one person, you should not forget his name. His name is Jagmohan. Who is he? He was the former governor of Jammu Kashmir and recently he passed away. And you should remember one more name, R.K. Chibbar. Is he passed away? No, he is the present incumbent chairman of Jammu Kashmir Bank, JK Bank, incumbent chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Bank. And one more, Super 75 scholarship scheme. Super 75 scholarship scheme has been launched by Jammu Kashmir. Manoj Sinha is the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu Kashmir. Which space agency has developed 3 types of ventilator, and those ventilators are Pran, Vayu, Swasthya. So these are the 3 types of ventilators and an oxygen concentrator. This has been launched by which space station? This is ISRO. ISRO has launched this 3 types of ventilators and 1 oxygen concentrator. Where is the headquarters of ISRO? Bangalore, which is known as Silk City, Garden City or Space City, Bangalore. Who is the chairman? K. Sivan. Recently he has got 1 year extension. K. Sivan. So these were the current affairs of 8th of June. See you on 9th of June.